Hello from the Boynton Beach City Library. I'm Christina. Today I will show you how to make paper quilled pumpkins. The fall holidays will be here before you know it, and these are great for decorating cards or making wall hangings. Supplies include quilling paper strips, slotted quilling tool, glue in a bottle with a precision tip, tweezers, and scissors. Let's get started. The pumpkin is made of 8 different coils. These 4 make the pumpkin, triangles for the eyes, and for the stem, and a half circle for the mouth. First, pick the colors. It takes 2 strips to make each coil of the pumpkin. A total of 8 strips are needed, and no one ever said a pumpkin has to be orange. Glue together each set of 2. Roll into 4 loose coils. Make 2 marquee coils. Hold onto the coil with your thumbs and forefingers and pinch the sides to a point. And 2 half circle coils. Hold onto the coil between your thumbs and forefingers. Pinch and pull down. Glue the 4 coils together to shape the pumpkin. For the eyes, take 1 white strip and 1 black strip and cut them in half to make 2 eyes. Glue together the 2 sets of white and black strips. Roll 2 loose coils, starting with the white side of the strip. For the eyes, make triangle coils. Start by making a half circle, then pinch the rounded top to a point. For the mouth, use the full length of 1 white and 1 black strip glued together. And make a curved half circle. Decide the placement of the eyes and mouth and glue on top of the pumpkin. I like to use tweezers for this part. For the pumpkin stem, find a brown paper strip. Make a triangle with a slight curve and glue at the top of the pumpkin. Mix it up and use different shapes for different pumpkin designs. And we're done! Thanks for watching.